This is my 2004 Trailblazer with 4.2 liter. In order to replace the pump for the transmission, you must take off the bell housing. Otherwise, this pump o-ring will get stuck at here. This edge, belongs to the bell housing, and it won't go inside. See, this is the transmission case, and diameter gets wider here, and then because of this bell housing, diameter get smaller. That's why o-ring gets stuck here and cannot go inside. If you remove the bell housing, you can start from this wide edge. So when you are trying to replace pump on the transmission 4L60E, you must remove the bell housing. You see that o-ring is getting stuck. It's getting stuck on this housing. I didn't remove the bell housing, that's why I had to use this bearing puller set to remove the pump. At first I tried using the primer and pry out the pump. Many other people are taking out the pump by using a tiny flathead screwdriver, and it pops out super easy. But on my case, I used the 4 feet primer and I couldn't remove the pump at all. I had to use this bearing puller. Maybe if I removed the bell housing first, I didn't really need to use this bearing puller.